First, we open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. Right where the logo is towards the underneath side, there is a lever that needs to be lifted upwards and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is open, behind the taillight towards the edge is the plug for the turn signal, and we need to turn this plug anti-clockwise to pull it out. There we got the plug along with the bulb taken out. Now to take out the bulb, all we have to do is just pull the bulb outwards. There's that bulb taken out. Now suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. It does not matter this way or the other. We punch in the bulb in the plug and then push it to a point until we hear a clicking sound. Now we will go ahead and install the plug back where it came from. We have to make sure the plug is completely in, and only then we turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. With that, we are done with the replacement of the turn signal bulb. Now suppose you want to close the hood back, just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We lower the hood up until the middle. Now to close the hood properly, we will leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.